Hey, what's happening, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you one of the coolest prints from my top 10 haunting Halloween print video. It's the Raven. Printed it in this really cool red and black color, which I think turned out absolutely gorgeous. I tried to print it the first time without the brims, but it came off, so if you want to use this print, I would recommend adding brims, just because there's not a ton of purchase area for it on the print bed. And then you can see I had to do just a little bit of cleaning up on top of that and use the heat gun on the wings, but not too big of a deal. I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous with this red and black dual color filament. If you like this print, I'll leave a link to it, as well as go and check out my top 10 video for the Halloween prints this season.